If you are a student, teacher, blogger, or anyone who writes for living, then you should watch this video, because in this video I am going to compare this new tool with the name Linguist with the most popular tool on the internet, and that is called Grammarly. Both are the AI writing assistant tools. They help you write better by checking your grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes. They also correct your punctuation, and they also have the plagiarism detection, and there are other features also which I'm going to review in this. So this is the Linguist tool, which is an online writing assistant tool. You can visit this website. I have given the link in the description, and download the free version of this. So this tool actually helps you to write error-free writing, and that too for free, as here in this demonstration they are showing it. So it is not only an AI based writing assistant tool, but it will also give you a personalized feedback that which kind of mistakes you are doing again and again, so that you can improve your English. And this is perhaps the most important feature, and that is the repetitive typing automation. This snippet feature which I was talking about is a feature which is not available in the grammar. If you're someone who has to write certain paragraphs again and again for your customers, so you can just copy those paragraphs and assign that paragraph a single word. So by just typing that one word, the whole paragraph will be pasted as it is shown here. So apart from the checking the grammar, they also have a plagiarism checker software. They have the package for the students. They have a team plan. The templates I'm going to explain in a bit. Snip I have already explained. They have browser extensions for almost all the popular browsers: Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, and they also have the apps for the iOS and Android. They have a desktop app. You can integrate this with Microsoft Office, and they also have the company style guide. So first of all, you need to go along with me, and then you just need to download the extension for your browser by visiting the link which I have given in the description. Once you will download the extension, you will see this kind of a pencil type icon on your browser, and from here you can personalize or change the settings. And within the settings, the first option is the typography. You can switch it on and off. You can enable the check punctuation also, and the double click feature you can also enable. The double click feature is that when you will double click a word, it will give you the definition and the all other details, just like you see in a dictionary. So it is kind of a pop-up dictionary once you will do the double click. So this is the second feature which is available in Linguist, and it is not available in Grammarly as far as I know. But if I am incorrect, and if you are using the Grammarly, let me know in the comment section below. So from here you can initiate a new document. Once you click that, this kind of interface will open. In that you can start to write, and it will guide you that what are the issues. For example, I have written one sentence, and here it has given me the options that this the was is not correct. So it has given me the different options, so I can simply click this one, or it is going to correct that. So I have added few lines, and now we will see the statistics, and here you can see that it has given me the summary for the readability. As you can see that the readability score, it is given 105, and the summary is that my text is very easy to read, and it is likely to be understood by a reader who has at least 5th grade education. So it is going to give you this. So here you can tell this software about your audience, what is the target readability. So you can select anything your goal is. So I am going to select the storytelling, and what are the emotions. So I'll select the exciting, and then I'll click save. So this is how it will help us in changing the style of our writing. So instead of writing on a clean paper, they also have the templates which you can use in case you buy their product. For example, these are the different categories: email, social media, essay, CV. So I'm just going to click this essay, and we'll see that what kind of the templates they have for the essay. So once you will click this essay tab, then this screen will open. There, for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to click this narrative essay. They have given the intro, comments telling the story. These are the different ideas they are telling. Carry on with the tale, the climate event are tipping point, and concluding paragraph. So you can open this in the editor, or you can also download this template and use it as a reference to write your essay. They also have a specific package for the schools and the students, whereby they help in not only the checking the grammar, they also help in vocabulary enhancement, personalized learning, comprehensive handbook, content templates, and writing insights. So if you are a student, you can also buy this. The Linguist tool can also be downloaded and used for the Windows. This is an interface where by they have an independent editor in which you can write your script, and subsequently it will help you in correcting all the mistakes. You can also download the add-on for the Microsoft Word. So whenever you are using Microsoft Word, it is going to help you correct all those spelling, punctuations, errors within the Microsoft Word. So as for their pricing plan is concerned, the basic version is free to use, in which only 3 options are available: correct your spellings, grammar, and punctuations. Whereas the premium version is $8 per month, and I would highly recommend that you download this Linguist tool. You just have to give your email address. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to enter the credit card number, and it will still be, they will be offering you 7 days free trial. If you are satisfied by that, if you're not, then you can continue to use the free version. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.